Chinese robotics company LimX Dynamics has introduced something pretty wild, a biped robot named Tron 1 that walks, rolls, and pivots. Yes, it is like getting 3 robots in one. Whether it is trudging over rough terrain or gliding across smooth floors, Tron 1 adjusts like a pro. It is small, smart, and strong. Basically a robot that can do a bit of everything. Tron 1 stands about 33 inches tall and weighs under 44 pounds. Despite its size, it is built for action. The robot uses a modular foot system that lets it switch between 3 movement types. The point foot setup is best for nimble, precise motion. Switch to the flat sole configuration and it walks more like a human. But if speed is the goal, Tron 1 has wheels for quick and smooth travel across just about any surface. Under the hood, it gets even more impressive. Tron 1 runs on a 12th generation Intel Core i3 processor, comes with 16 gigabytes of memory, and has 512 gigabytes of onboard storage. That means it can handle serious computing, motion planning, and even artificial intelligence projects. The actuators produce up to 59 pounds-feet of torque and can carry up to 22 pounds regularly, with a max of 33 pounds when needed. That is some serious power packed into a small bot. Real-world tests show Tron 1 is more than just smart. It is agile too. It can hop over hurdles, climb uneven stairs, and navigate cluttered paths. While it cannot do everything, its climbing is limited to 15 degrees, and it struggles with anything taller than 15 centimeters, it recovers quickly when knocked off balance. Watching it bounce back after a push is pretty wild. This is not just a fancy piece of tech for showing off. Tron 1 is a tool built for research and development. It supports Python, runs simulations through NVIDIA Isaac and Mujoko, and includes an open software development kit plus hardware ports for experimentation. Whether you are in a university lab or starting out as a hobbyist, it has what you need to dig deep into robotic motion and interaction. At a price of $15,000, it is ready to go straight out of the box. The standard version is perfect for learning and experimentation, while the Education Edition gives more control and customization options. It is made to fit right into classrooms, labs, or even startups, exploring the next generation of robotics. If you want to see what the future of robotics looks like, it walks, it rolls, it pivots, Tron 1 might be it.